One of them slides. I mean, one of them stairs. I'm pushing them down that slide like 50 times. I am freaking exhausted. And I got a sweater on. I don't know what made me wear a sweater today. That's like the dumbest shit ever. But it's my Mello's birthday. My little baby is 4 years old. And when I tell you I have not been able to capture him, say hi. Say happy birthday.
Hi.
Say welcome to our channel.
Hi.
It's my birthday. Say it's my birthday.
What's my fun? Yeah. Wait, no, Mello.
Yeah. Mello, wait. Come on. Go slide. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Come on. You got it. You ready? Set. Go. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. No moving around.
Mello, I see you. My boy's in the back with me today. It has been a hell of a weekend. I am so freaking tired. But this is the last weekend for Disney on Ice in the Bay Area. So I'm like, I do not want to I keep missing it. I done missed it for years and years and years. And I'm like, I'm not missing it this year. They look so cute. I have them dressed as Bruno from Encanto and Camilo from Encanto. And they look adorable. When I tell y'all, they are so upset about having to wear these little, and they're not even costumes. All they are is like little shawls. They have on like the cutest little shawls. I cannot wait to show you guys. But they're the cutest little shawls ever. And I'm sweated. I'm like, I damn near got so upset because they almost killed my mood already. So I'm like, I don't even know why they be tripping on me. I just be trying to be a good mom and just make their little childhood memorable. But they just want their childhood so boring and so blah. You know what I'm saying? With the attitude and how they acted. And I don't want them to have a blah childhood. You know, I'm trying to be that little mommy that get her kids all cute and dressed up. And I got goals as a mom. You know what I'm saying? And my kids, their attitudes, they make, you know how kids like make you like not want to do nothing for them type of energy. But I'm not doing that. I'm not going to let these children decipher my mood because, baby, what? I'm the adult. You're the kid, okay? Wish you would decipher my mood and tell me how my mood about to be for the rest of the day based on a child. Please, honey. But yeah, anyways, Disney on Ice is where we're going. So spend the day with us. We just stopped and got us some snacks. We have a whole hour and a half drive. Y'all know I stay far as fuck from everything. This is supposed to be the year I'm supposed to be moving closer to, but we'll see. But anyway, stay tuned so you guys can get the Disney on Ice experience with this, okay? See ya. So you guys, this was our looks for today. We have our Camilo, we have our Bruno, and we have mommy, sexy mamacita, you know what I'm saying? Color coordinated with the children, you know.
Mom, I can smell coffee.
Me too. Oh, we gotta hurry up, we need to show her. Yeah, it's having a break. Oh, we finally made it, y'all.
Mom, with my
Yeah, I can just right here.
when will it start?
It already started, and we were late, so we missed part of the show already. So now we gotta wait for the second half. We already missed. You don't even like girl stuff though. We already missed Frozen. You don't like girl stuff. We already missed Frozen, so now what we came for about to start. We came for Encanto. So we ain't mad that we missed Frozen. We wanted to see Encanto. They about to start Encanto. They're about to start it soon though. It's a little intermission. Ooh, y'all, I'm glad we made it. But we're excited. I got my Bruno. And I got my Camilo. They put their costumes on with no problem, y'all. Thank God. They're letting me live out my Disney fantasy. They let me live on my kid fantasy, baby. All the little girls get to dress up, but my baby get to dress up too.
Gosh, it's getting kind of toasty in here. Good thing.
So many stars and everybody gets to shine. Like there are runs this show. I'm as tough as the crust of the earth is.
Okay.
It looks like rain. Even doing so, it floats my brain. There's all to you. What else can I do? You can't do.
I like a show.
Huh?
I like a show.
Like a show?
Yeah. It was cool.
It was cool, huh? I tried to tell you to do something. Oh, I dropped your ice. Damn it. Sorry. Okay. Come here, Mello. Oh, y'all, I'm tired. That little hour and a half then took me out. I gotta drive an hour and a half just to be somewhere for an hour and a half. Ain't that crazy? Why are you back there looking like that? Tell the people how was the thing.
It was good.
Turn that backlight on so they can see you. So did you have fun? And like, so tell them, was it cool? Like, what you liked about it?
I like about they like picked up the girl and she like spin them around.
Uh-huh. Like when they picked up some girls and spin them around. Mello, did you see all the people? Did you see them skating, Mello? Maybe they ain't got me They made me buy them stuff when I first walked in. And then they make me buy them stuff. So like the stuff that I bought them when they first walked in is now, this, no, they don't want to play with this. Now they want to play with the stuff that I bought them as they're leaving out. Oh, man. No cap though, it was cool. Disney on Ice is like, I love it. Disney on Ice is basically like a sing-along, like all your favorite parts of the song you get to sing along with, which is really, really cool. So I loved it. It was cool. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you turn on your notification bell. And thank y'all so much for like just rocking with me and vibing with me today. It was like greatly, greatly appreciated.